k square minus k raised to power 3 is equal to 12. What is the value of k, where k is a member of real number? Solution. K square minus k raised to power 3 is equal to 12. Then we can rearrange this. We have minus k raised to power 3 plus k square is equal to 12. Let's multiply all through by minus 1. Then here is k raised to power 3 minus k square is equal to minus 12. Then k raised to power 3 minus k square plus 12 is equal to 0. K raised to power 3 minus k square plus 12 can be written as 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. Then k raised to power 3 minus k square plus 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 plus 4 is 2 square is equal to 0. Now let's compare k raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 minus k square plus 2 square is equal to 0. Here is k raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 minus k square minus 2 square is equal to 0. If you have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. Also, if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Then for this, let's substitute. Here is k plus 2 bracket k square minus 2k plus 4 minus, here is k plus 2 multiplied by k minus 2 is equal to 0. Then k plus 2 bracket k square minus 2k plus 4 minus k minus 2 equal to 0. Because here k plus 2 is common and k plus 2 is common, that's why we bring it out here. Then here is k plus 2 bracket k square minus 2k plus 4 minus k minus times minus 2, that is plus 2, is equal to 0. K plus 2 bracket k square minus 2k minus k minus 3k 4 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is k plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 2. Or the second case, k square minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, so which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula in this case is given as k is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 6. Therefore, k is equal to minus bracket minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6 over 2 multiplied by 1, or discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Then b is minus 3 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 and c is 6. Then this is equal to minus 3 square 9 minus 4 times 1 times 6 24 equal to minus 15, and this is less than 0, so this is rejected because no real solution here. Therefore, the only real solution we have is k equal to minus 2. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. We have the given equation k squared minus k raised to power 3 is equal to 12. When k is equal to minus 2, here is minus 2 square minus bracket minus 2 raised to power 3 must be equal to 12. Then minus 2 square is 4 minus bracket minus 8 must be equal to 12. Here is 4 minus times minus, that is plus 8 must be equal to 12. Then 4 plus 8, this is 12, is equal to 12. And this satisfies the equation at k is equal to minus 2.